Nessa Sunshine here, and today we're getting into the SYLVIA GANI x BH Cosmetics palette. If you want to get this eye look, well, subscribe to my channel and let's get into the tutorial.
I'm taking the Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease Brush into that color Sisterhood.
Back and forth in the crease, above the crease of the eyelid. I'm also moving in some circular motion, making sure that I am bringing it above the crease, especially in the center of the eyelid. And I'm blending out in circular motions on the outer corner of the eyelid. And these are kind of larger circular motions, in case y'all were wondering. That was a lot more pigmented than I was expecting. Now I'm just moving in swiper motions closer to the actual brow. And I like to move in circular motions going outward.
Now I'm going in with that Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease Brush into that color Independent.
Pressing it in the outer corner of the eye. Just pressing. Press, press, press. I'll move it in some circular motion. And I'm pressing it down on the outer corner in toward the lid as well. Move that all over the crease, above the crease area in swiper motions, back and forth. Time for our next step.
The first shimmer we'll take is the opal color with the Novel White Rose small pencil brush.
I'm starting it right in the inner corner of the eyelid, and I'm trying to bring it up a little bit above the crease.
I'm going to take that pink shimmer rosé with the same pencil brush.
With rosé, I'm just putting it right kind of over where opal is. Make sure we're bringing this, we're not cutting the crease, but we're bringing the shimmer as if we had a cut crease, if that makes sense. Go ahead, do that to the other side, and then we'll be back.
With that purple shimmer Wild Child and the Novelist small pencil brush,
we're adding it to the center outer half of the lid. I guess you could say we're adding it to the third quarter of the lid, and I'm going to bring it forward a little bit toward the lower part of the lid. So that fades really nicely into that pink rosé, and that pink rosé fades really nicely into that opal color. Go ahead and do that to the other side. Taking that purple matte Independent again, we can do very light pressing, almost swiper motions to intensify that outer corner. Now that we have the top part of our eyeshadow complete, I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes.
I'll be using the Lotus Lash Yarzabeth lash.
This is not glued on, but this is sort of what the lash will look like. Very dramatic and lovely. I'm gonna go ahead and do that off screen along with my face makeup, lip, and all that jazz. And we'll do the lower lash line together in a magical moment. And there we have it.
For lips, I have the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Lip Liner in Pillow Talk and the Cargo Cosmetics Lip Gloss in Fresno.
In case you were wondering.
This is the Cargo Cosmetics Picture Perfect Kohl Eyeliner.
Going in from the outer corner into the center, go ahead and do that to the other side.
This is the Zoeva 322 Brow Line Brush. And we're going into that purple color Independent.
Pressing it from the inner corner into that black liner. Bring that purple eyeshadow down so that I can have an open space.
We're also taking that same color Independent and just blowing that out with the Nabla White Rose Precision Shader Brush.
Blending out that lower lash line, outer corner specifically.
With the Zoeva 317 Wing Liner Brush and the color Prince.
Placing that right on the lower lash line, inner corner. And we're going to bring it in and get tinier as we go in toward the lash line.
This is the Cargo Cosmetics 3 Triple Action Mascara.
And this is the very last step, and that will complete this tutorial. So I am so excited. I'm going to the SYLVIA GANI x BH Cosmetics launch party tonight, and I am wearing the eyeshadows. And if you liked this video, like it. And if you made it this far in the video, make sure to comment down below Luxe, because this palette feels very luxe, and that is just my style. Thank you again for watching. If you're not subscribed already, make sure to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram @NessaSunshine, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Bye now!